Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Apeks XL4 second stage. So as you can see, this is just the second stage, doesn't come with a hose or anything. This is the white version, also comes in a black version. There's no difference on the inside as far as I'm aware, other than the aesthetics. The main difference is in the first stage when you buy it as a regulator. But as a second stage, it's a beautiful, small little second stage. They basically wanted a small, compact little second stage that is cold water certified, and that's why they made the XL4. Primarily, they made it for sort of advanced divers who are spending a lot of time in the water, so you don't want a big, heavy second stage sort of weighing your jaw down that you have to bite down on. They wanted a very small, lightweight little second stage, so you don't get jaw fatigue when you're diving for extended periods. Also for traveling, a lot of traveling divers nowadays, you don't want big, heavy, clunky sort of second stages. Again, small, compact and lightweight. As far as sort of features coming in, it's got traditional standard threads. This is what, like 9/16 UNF, so that'll fit sort of any standard, no, that will be 7/16 standard size regulator hose. The body itself, a lightweight polymer, nice and plastic. Big purge button on the front, which has a real nice sort of feel to it. It's kind of two stage as well, so you can push it a little bit and get a little bit of gas, push it a lot and you get a lot of gas to purge it all. Only has one adjustment on it, and that's a Venturi, so you can adjust that to interrupt a free flow. It's particularly good for octos and stage cylinders as you're jumping in the water. It's just going to interrupt a free flow before it forms. The exhaust tee is made out of a soft material, so a little bit more flexible, so that way, especially for stage cylinders, if it gets banged up against something, it's just going to bend, it's not going to crack like some other exhaust tees on other second stages, so that's quite nice. But big openings, that's just going to send those bubbles way behind you. The mouthpiece on it is a Comfort Bite mouthpiece, so you've got this bridge over the top of your mouth, so that just means that it holds onto like the top of your jaw without too much biting force. So again, you're saving from jaw fatigue, and it's quite a short, stubby sort of mouthpiece as well, so it doesn't go all the way back and you're biting down on it with your molars. It just kind of sits in your mouth nice and comfortably. And an underrated sort of feature on this is a reusable cable tie. So you can just unhook this, swap over that mouthpiece if you need to, put it back on, and then reuse that same sort of cable tie, so you don't have to carry a whole bunch of spares. So that's a very nice sort of underrated feature. As far as reviewing it, I definitely like it. My next set of regulators will probably be XL4s if my XX50s ever pack it in, just because it's small, it's compact, but it does the same thing. For traveling as well, it's going to be so much sort of easier. It's that more sort of compact size. Yeah, it's a smart little second stage. This is the Apeks XL4 second stage. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.